Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create recurring sales invoices in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So let's get started. Recurring sales invoices are useful when you regularly bill customers for the same products or services, such as support plans, subscriptions, maintenance contracts, or monthly service fees. To create recurring sales invoices, first make sure you have a recurring sales invoice setup already configured in Business Central. Once that's ready, open the Create Recurring Sales Invoices process. Enter the order date and posting date you want the generated invoices to use. You can also apply filters to create invoices only for specific recurring invoice groups or customer plans. For example, if you have customers assigned to a support plan, you can generate invoices only for those customers. After reviewing the settings, run the process. Business Central will automatically create sales invoices for all customers that match the selected criteria. The number of invoices generated depends on how many eligible customers are assigned to that recurring invoice setup. Once the invoices are created, open any invoice to review it. You'll see that the recurring sales lines, including products, services, quantities, and pricing, have been copied automatically from the recurring invoice setup. The invoice is then ready for review and posting. Using recurring sales invoices can save a significant amount of time, reduce manual data entry, and help ensure customers are billed consistently and accurately. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.